Welcome back, and today I have something super fun for you. How many of you have been to Carrabba's and that oil and herb mixture that they serve with the bread? You can just sit down and make a meal off of that, right? So I got what I believe is a copycat recipe for you on Carrabba's herb and oil mixture. So let's go. Into our pan here is about a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of olive oil. And then we have 2 large cloves of garlic right here. You want to just mince those down. It's really great if you use the fresh garlic. Now, that is going to go into our pan in that nice hot olive oil. But not too hot because, you know, with garlic you have to be really, really careful that you don't burn it, which I have done many, many times and had to start all the way over. Okay, so we have our olive oil and our garlic in there, and we're just going to heat that through. You want garlic to become very, very fragrant and just beginning to turn a little bit golden on the edges, but that's all. That's all, no more than that. That is ready to add the rest of our herbs. Or 1 teaspoon of minced dehydrated onion, and then the rest is going to go in. We have a ½ teaspoon each of basil, thyme, parsley, and then a dash each of oregano, marjoram, red pepper flake, and a few grinds of fresh cracked pepper. Okay? And we want to heat that through because we need those herbs to bloom. We need the essential oils in those herbs to bloom. Just keep that over the heat for just a minute or two over a low, low heat. And just keep moving that around. You don't want them to burn or get too toasted. Just blooming those herbs and spices. Okay, so our spices are done. We're just going to pull those out onto our plate. Just like that. Okay, now take our wonderful olive oil, use your favorite, because this is the kind that you want to have that full, robust flavor, okay? And just drizzle in your favorite olive oil right there. And that's all there is to it. Besides enjoying it. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you guys can see the steam coming off of that loaf of bread. Delightful. Oh my goodness sakes. Look at that, you guys. Look, it looks like the deal, doesn't it? Oh my goodness. That is good. Really and truly try it. Give me a comment, give me a like. Tell me what you think about it. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah.